In this video, we are going to look at how we can configure Visual Studio Code on our Windows machine, and then we will see how we can integrate the most popular API client, which is Postman, with Visual Studio Code. Now, if you don't know what is Visual Studio Code, then it is a lightweight code editor provided by Microsoft. It is a lighter version of the Microsoft Visual Studio. So this code editor, it supports multiple languages and multiple technologies. So you will find lots of different extensions through which you can easily work with Visual Studio Code. It is completely free as compared to Visual Studio. And then it is very popular with developers, especially for using JavaScript or Java or any other language. So if you want to work with Postman and you want to work with Visual Studio rather than using a Postman client, then you can easily use this extension, which was released few months ago by Postman, and you can configure that in your Visual Studio Code editor. Now we are going to look at how we can set up Visual Studio Code on our Windows machine. So the first step is to download the Visual Studio Code installer. So go to any particular browser and type Visual Studio Code. And then here you will find the download option in the code.visualstudio.com website. Then go to the downloads page and there you can install or download for any particular operating system. For me, I'll be doing it for Windows. So I'll click here and then it is going to save it in the downloads folder. So I'm going to save this. Once it is done, I'm going to open this setup and then it will ask me to accept this. So I will do that. Click on next. I will choose the default folder and the default start menu folder, and then I'm going to leave this as it is and then click on next and click on install. Now it will prepare the installer for Visual Studio Code and it will start extracting and installing Visual Studio Code on your machine. Okay, so once this is done, click on finish and then it should launch the Visual Studio Code. So this is the Visual Studio Code tool, as you can see here. So that's how you can set up Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine. Now let's see how we can integrate Postman with Visual Studio Code. Now this is possible with the help of an extension which Postman released some time ago, and we have to install this extension in Visual Studio Code, and then we'll be able to log in into Postman and we can work with all the different Postman collections which we have created in our account. So let's go and to extensions here, and here we are going to search for Postman. You will get a number of different results, but you need to choose the right one, which is the official Postman extension. Now, do look for this blue tick mark with Postman.com, which will tell you that this is the official Postman extension. And you should click on this install now. Now, once this is installed, you will see a Postman extension is already enabled here. Okay. And here you will also find that it's a short video on how you can work with this particular extension. Okay, so now if I click on this Postman extension here, okay, so here it will ask me to either sign in or create a new account on Postman. So if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and create an account. If not, if you already have an account with Postman, you can directly sign in. So once you click on sign in, it will ask you to redirect you to the Postman website. Okay, so click on open and then it will redirect you to the website where it will ask you to sign in. Okay, so here you can see it is already detected my login, and then it will authenticate my Postman credentials and then it will go back to Visual Studio Code. Okay, so once it is authenticated, again you click on open, and then you'll be able to see all the collections on the left hand side. Okay, so now if I close this and if I open any particular collection and I open any particular request like this get request, where I get weather by city. Okay, so it is using the API open weather, and now I can click on send here. Okay, so it will return me the results here. So the options and the screen looks almost similar or exactly like the Postman web or the Postman desktop application. So you can create collections, you can create new requests within the collection, you can send the request, you can view the body or the response here. You can look at the status, time, and all the other details here, right? You can authorize using the different authentication mechanisms. You can send the headers, you can send a different body on a post request, and you can also, if you want, you can switch to a particular environment here if you have got environment variables, right? So all of the options which you are familiar with in your Postman tool is available right here in Visual Studio Code. So by enabling this extension, you can directly work with your Postman collections right from your Visual Studio Code. That's all for this particular video. If you have any questions, then please leave it in the comments. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.